Hey Lifestyle Hackers, welcome to day 3 of the Growth Hacker List Building Challenge. Let's jump in again. Today's all about setting up your autoresponder, and I'll be doing that today with a free MailChimp account. In case you didn't know, your autoresponder's job is to automate your onboarding process. There's more steps to it than that, but your onboarding process should be completely automated. Your leads come in, they come in for the lead magnet, and your autoresponder should automate the process of delivering that lead magnet to that lead. The easiest way to convert cold leads into warm leads fast is to have a solid onboarding process. Now I've developed a simple lead magnet delivery process. Works great with all providers. I'm going to illustrate it today in MailChimp because it's free and anybody can jump on right away with it. Starts with the sign up process. You sign up for a free account. You create your list. You create your lead intake forms, which is your subscription form, the confirmation form, and the confirmation emails. And you link your lead magnet to those confirmation emails and your thank you pages. This is going to actually lead into a MailChimp video where I'm going to illustrate the process for you so you can walk through it step by step. All right, Lifestyle Hackers, we're going to walk through the MailChimp account setup process and also going to set up our lead magnet delivery process. Let's get to it. So I'm actually going to show you guys from scratch, if you don't have an account already with MailChimp, how to set up the account, confirm the account to automatically deliver even with a free account. So the first step is to click on sign up now. All right, the MailChimp account setup process is very, very quick and very easy. Matter of fact, you can sign up in under 30 seconds. It doesn't require a credit card, so anybody could jump right in for free. Not have to worry about putting a credit card in there or any extra obligations. So to get started, you just need to put your email address in, and I have a demo account that I use for tests like this. It's demo@lifestylehacker.com. And you need a username, so I'm going to say Lifestyle Hacker Demo. Then you need a password. It needs to contain one lowercase character, one uppercase character, one number, and one special character, and the minimum is 8 characters altogether. All right, it's all set. If you don't want to make sure that what you typed is actually what you want, you can click on show, but I'm pretty familiar with that password, so I'm going to go ahead and click on create account. Don't need to remember it because this account is just for testing purposes. So it's signing me up in the back end. What's going to happen after this is it's going to send me an email to confirm that this is a real email account. I'm not a robot. There you go. Thanks for signing up. Please check your email and click activate account. In the message we just sent to demo@lifestylehacker.com. Once your account is activated, we'll send you an email with some information to help you get started with MailChimp. So I already have that up right here. I'm going to click inbox. The message, there it is. Activate your MailChimp account. We're glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here too, MailChimp. Click on activate account. Once confirmed that I'm a human, I'm going to click on I'm not a robot. All right, now it's going to take me to the account setup process. MailChimp is really, really user friendly because it guides you through the account creation. It does it almost like a checklist format. There's certain things you have to do on every account. You have to put in your name. My name is Mike. Last name is Wayne. This brand is about a year old. Do you have a list of emails to import into MailChimp? If you were importing, you'd press yes. If not, you'd press no. I'm not. And are you setting this up for a client? I am not, so I'm going to press no. If you were, you would click yes. Then you're going to put your company and organization. My actual company's name is Mediacraft Marketing. If you do not have an organization, you can just put your real name. Website URL is lifestylehacker.com. Upload or take a photo. I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to upload anything. You could also subscribe to their Getting Started newsletter, which walks you through this process. And you can also subscribe to their Monkey Wrench newsletter, which gives you company updates and such. I'm not going to click on these because I'm doing a test account. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on save and get started. All right. So as you can see, it has a little helper here. As account, access your account settings, support, and log out. It has the search field, tells you how to search. They just want you to know where to go to access, certain key bits of information. So the first step on a new account is you actually want to create your list. So we're going to go ahead and create a list. Because your list is basically the database of all your contacts. See, you got that little graph of like a pencil pointer thing. Click on that. Alright, this is where you're going to create your list name. So your list name should be descriptive. It should be the name of your company, the name of your brand, or the name of your website. You don't necessarily have to put newsletter in it. They give you that example. And then as you can see, it says Acme Company newsletter is a good example, and customer 11/01/2007 is a bad example. You just want it to be something simple and easy to recognize. So I'm just going to name the list Lifestyle Hacker, because that is my brand name. If this was a personal brand, I could just be like Mike Wayne or the Mike Wayne newsletter, but I'm going to keep it simple. The default from email address is the address that you want people to see in their inbox when they receive messages. So just for the sake of the demo, I'm going to put demo@lifestylehacker.com. And then for you, it just could be, your name, like Mike@lifestylehacker.com, or Mike at your brand, well, not Mike, but your name at yourbrand.com. Default from name, you want that to be your real name or your brand name. Right here, you remind people why they signed up for your list, because they might forget. So you want to write, you sign up for my list because you opted in for a freebie or updates at your website name.com. So I'm going to type, you are receiving this email because you opted in at my website for a freebie and or updates at lifestylehacker.com. You can have a daily summary sent to you. So instead of every time that somebody subscribes or unsubscribes, they can send you an email. You can have that consolidated into a daily summary. You can have it done one by one for subscription. So every time a subscriber subscribes, you can have that email sent to you right away. I really like that. It's a good motivator. So every time somebody subscribes, you get an email. Nice little bing. You could also have unsubscribe sent to you as they happen. Most people would prefer a daily summary, but I like one-on-one. So I'll click on one-on-one for both. I'll press save. It creates a lot of extra emails, but like I said, it's very motivating just to see every time you get a new subscriber, have them added in there. So our list is created. So once our list is created, we want to create a sign-up form. Sign-up form could be embedded. So you could manually embed this yourself. You create the form and embed it into your WordPress site. Or you could have this integrated into your landing page builders, which is such as Lead Pages. So if you're using Lead Pages, you can connect it to MailChimp, and basically every time they sign up at Lead Pages, it goes directly in here. But you have to have a form in order for this thing to work correctly. So I'm going to go in here and just click on General Forms, click Select. You can even do a pop-up form, but we're going to do a general form because, like, 9 times out of 10, you just need a general form. So this is our sign-up form, and this is the form that the user is going to fill out to receive your lead magnet freebie. So we don't need a CAPTCHA because the user is going to have to double opt-in, which is double confirm. So they're going to receive an email to prove that they're human. So there's no need for a CAPTCHA. A CAPTCHA is to prove they're human and they're a real person. So the number one thing you need is the first name and the email address. You don't lead last name unless you're, your specific kind of service. Like a lot of services need more detailed contact information. It's like, I know, like automotive dealerships, appointment-based services. Like if you were like a nail salon or, some place where it would help you to have the customer's first and last name. But for like internet marketing, basic stuff like that, you really only need the first name, and that's really only because you want to customize the email. So when you're writing emails to your subscribers, you could put their real name into it. So to delete last name, you go into field settings. You click on the field you want to delete, and you click on delete. And it's going to ask you to confirm by typing delete. And you're going to click delete. And that's it. The last thing you're going to want to do is I like to reorder the fields. I like to have the first name first and the last and the email address last. So let's go into here. You just drag it. So we have first name, last name. You can actually edit the header. You can use plain text. You can use HTML. We just want something simple. I'm just gonna write enter your first name and best email address to receive my free guide. Now if you want, you can go in and you can change the font. I like Arial. You can change the font size. I'm just going to keep it simple. When you're actually going ahead and doing this for your website, you could actually go crazier on the design. But a lot of services like WordPress, they actually use the custom design on that website, and you can go in there and customize the form there. So I don't try to make it too fancy over here. So once that's all set, you want to go in and you want to go into the thank you page. So the thank you page is where you can actually put in a message for them to check their email so they could receive your lead magnet. You could redirect the thank you page directly to a lead magnet. So for example, I have my WordPress Media Manager up, and you can choose to upload your freebie to WordPress directly. I actually don't recommend doing that. It could put a strain on your WordPress server. See, here's one of the freebies I have hosted on there. So you're gonna have a link right here, and that's a direct download link to one of the freebies I have. You can go ahead, click that, and paste it into MailChimp. And then they could directly take into your lead magnet freebie. So all they basically have to do is enter their first name and email and not confirm, and they'll automatically get their freebie. It's a big no-no for me. This is actually the recommended method, using Amazon S3. It's dirt cheap. It's like pennies per month. I pay like 17 cents a month, and I have like tons of files hosted on there, and it's pay per download. So it's like 0.000 like 1/8 cents per gig. So it's dirt cheap. Don't call me on that. It's just like a wild figure I threw out. But it's really dirt cheap to host it on Amazon S3. And you could throw in that Amazon S3 link instead of a WordPress link and paste it on there. And press save, and they'll get taken to that. But that's not actually the method that I recommend. I recommend hosting it on the WordPress thank you page. Not the WordPress, I'm sorry. You could do the WordPress, the MailChimp thank you page, because it's pretty simple. All you have to do is customize the message. And I don't like we because it seems informal, so I changed the verbiage. And I'll just be like, hey. You can call them a cute name. You could say, hey there, here's Sparky. I'm like, hey there. Thanks for signing up. Smiley. And then alright, I just need you to confirm your email address so you can receive your free gift. And again, change the font. I'll do Arial. Hey there, thanks for signing up. I just need you to confirm your email address so you can receive your free gift. So actually, you know what? That's pretty simple. To complete the subscription process, please click on the link in the email I just sent you. Save and close. It's saved. return to website. It'll automatically have the return link. So then we're going to go into the opt-in confirmation email. And this is actually the email they receive from you. You can change the subject. It says, please confirm subscription. All right, please confirm subscription to receive your, whoops, I don't know what language that is. To receive your free download. I like capital F as well. Arial, save and close. And the messages, if you receive this email by mistake, please, not please, but simply delete it. You'll be subscribed if you don't click on our confirmation above. Now, to change the button text, you can't do it here. You actually have to go into translation. And then you're going to see all the button options. So instead of yes, subscribing to this list, I'm going to change it to confirm and download free gift. Whoops. So that's saved. Should give me a preview. There we go. Because you want to give the person a compelling reason to confirm. They're bombarded with tons of emails all day, so you want them to confirm and download free gift. It just gives them an extra incentive to click on that confirmation button. So it says, please confirm your subscription. I'm sorry, better English. Please confirm your subscription to receive your free download. And then confirm and download free gift. Perfect. And then opt-in confirmation catch bar. You click on that. You can change this text. You can leave it the way it is. I like just to confirm that your, these caps all day, to confirm that you're human. If they don't know it by now, I don't know if they don't why they don't know it. Confirm you're human before. I'm gonna change this text right here. Before I can subscribe you and send your free gift, I need to confirm that you are human. Save and close. You can actually make this cheekier. You might get some people annoyed with this whole human thing. Make it a smiley. There we go. Alright, well set. And then the confirmation thank you email. Now we can actually give them the download link. So subscription referred, conferred. Subscription confirmed, comma, now download your free gift. And let's make that better English. Your subscription is confirmed. Now download your free gift. Save and close. And we're gonna edit this message because, like I said, nobody really cares about being added to your list. MailChimp, they say they're a generic service, but they want to keep everything, generic and above board. But you want to use some marketing tactics here. You want to make it attractive. You want to make the person excited for being part of your list. And nobody really cares about the fact that they're part of your email list. They care about the free gift and any free benefits they may get from you in the future. So you're going to change this to reflect that. So you could write your subscription to updates. My updates actually, let's make it even better. You're all set. You can put the person's name by using merge tags, and it's as simple as that. Click on first name. You're all set, and then it'll automatically dynamically insert the person's first name, and that first name is whatever first name they put into that first name field on the form. So this is customizing it and making it personal. So you're all set, and it has their name. So it'd be you're all set Mike if it was me. Click here to download your free gift. And then you can put your link. Copy link location. And I like to write the name of the resource, 50 amazing free tools that the pros use. You can hyperlink it and paste. Advanced options, you want it opened in a new window, you click insert, there you go. And then thanks for subscribing. You'll love, you know what, let's not lay it on too thick. You can just leave it as thank you for subscribing. So you're all set. First name, or you're all set Mike. Click here to download your free gift, 50 amazing free tools that the pros use. Thank you for subscribing. That's good enough. Change the font. Like I said, I like Arial because it looks good across all browsers, all computer types, Mac, PC, iPhone, Android. It looks pretty good across the board. Save and close that, and it dynamically updates it. Your subscription is confirmed. Now download your free gift. You're all set, Mike. Click here to download your free gift. 50 amazing free tools that the pros use. Thank you for subscribing. One last thing I like to do is I'm gonna edit it and I'm gonna line break it. I like to have the freebie on a separate line so it stands out. It's gonna update that there. We don't have to wait. See, there you go. One final step. I like to do it just to make sure all our bases are covered. And that is the final welcome email that they receive after the subscription is confirmed. And I'm going to edit that. And I'm just going to change it. Your subscription to receive periodic lifestyle hacker news and updates has been confirmed. Your free download link is below. Or your free download link is attached. All right. Let's change that. Make sure it's on the same line. And I put a comma instead of a period. Actually, I like enclosed. Enclosed. Delete that C. There we go. Save that. For your records, here is a copy of the information you submitted us. Let's see. Might have to go into translate here. You know what? Let's go back here because I'd like to also give them another area to actually get that download link. So we're gonna go into body. Actually, let me go back. Let's make it. Let's put it right here. Copy Copy that. Click here for your free download. There we go. Aha. It won't let us link here. Yep, because this is the subject. So we're going to have to put in the body. Yeah, because that's going to be our header. So it's not going to let us put it there. Hiccups. See, I've been out of the MailChimp game for a while. So we're going to translation. Alright. So we just got to get creative. Because I always like to have that download link in one extra place, because you never know, the person might, they might not see it. So if it gets emailed to them, you just covering your bases. I'm gonna write again, download your free gift at period, and then for your records, here is a copy of the information you presented to us. You submitted to us, rather. I'm sorry. Let's save translation, and then it should reflect in the email. Let's see if we could put HTML in there. Okay. So just to make something a hyperlink, you just put the bracket href equals parentheses, then at the end of it another parentheses, the bracket, and the title of the link, 50 amazing free tools that the pros use. And then bracket / a bracket. Save it, and let's see if it recognizes as an HTML link. I don't think it does. Let's see. Let's go back to the build it screen. Alright, no biggie. So let's go back and just leave it as a regular link. Because it'll become a link, an active link in their email. Alright, so there you have it. So that's a free way to get your lead magnet delivered to your lead with a free MailChimp account. Now let's get back to the main presentation. For today's assignment, I'll need you guys to upload your freebie to either your WordPress blog or your Amazon S3 account, and then to set up your autoresponder. And tomorrow for day 4, we're actually going to be going in and setting up a complete funnel, and that's going to take them from the landing page to the email intake page to the thank you page, and then finally the lead magnet delivery page. So everything you do today is going to tie in tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.